The open house is a chance for our candidates to get an idea of what studying at IE is. They get examples of a classroom atmosphere, get to meet some of our alumni, and get to immerse themselves in an experience. This event is a chance for our students to see a classroom experience with a real faculty member, also meet some of our alumni, and see the campus in general and get to know what's inside the campus. This event is for any IE master's student candidate. So if you're in the journey of becoming a student here, if you're thinking about doing a program with us, then this event is for you, and you're welcome to come and attend and see what an IE experience is like. You shouldn't miss this opportunity because you get to meet faculty members, you get to meet alumni, you get to meet other candidates that are thinking about doing a program like this. So it's an opportunity to not only meet and understand IE, but also meet candidates that are in the same position as you and are looking for different master's programs. Come, you have nothing to miss. This is a great opportunity to see different aspects of IE that you might not get in an online setting. So the face-to-face portion of this event and the fact that it's only done in person is a great chance for you to know IE from the inside.